Alright, anime of the year. Don Kaiju number 8, Solo Leveling, Delicious, Frieren, Apothecary. Haven't seen this. I feel like Frieren's gonna win. People love this anime. I didn't finish it. I just did not get super into it. I'll probably give it another chance at some point. But I feel like Frieren is going to wash that category. For me, I mean, these are all just like super simple anime. Like, it is like, there's nothing super special about them. They're just really fun to watch. Whereas Frieren, like, I can recognize why people are so passionate about it. And I feel like Frieren probably should win that category, even though I didn't really feel it. It probably should just take anime of the year. I'll even cast my vote for it. I think it probably should win. It does something pretty special. Even if it didn't hook me. This has got to be Look Back. Look Back is so fucking good. If Look Back doesn't win this category, and God forbid if My Hero Academia wins this category, oof. Look Back is incredible. That's got to be easy Look Back. Best continuing series. Ooh. My Hero Season 7 was definitely an improvement. Does not beat anything else in this category. Demon Slayer's most recent season was terrible. Well, terrible is exaggeratory. I didn't think it was terrible. It just really felt very underwhelming. Just fully a filler arc. Bleach, 1,000 Year Blood War. Very good part. I'm very excited for the final part. And One Piece, I've completely been enamored with. So, it's going to have to go to either Bleach or One Piece for me. Oof. Probably One Piece. I've fallen completely in love with One Piece. Best new series. It's the exact same category as anime of the year. Every single entry's the same. Yeah, I'm all caught up with One Piece. Probably Don. This one I'm definitely going to give to Don for me. Best original anime. Why is Ninja Kamui here? They ruined this show. First 3 episodes, fantastic. Then it turns into the worst, laziest mecha ever. With actual AI art in it. I don't know if any of you remember that. They used AI art for one of the episodes. The only one I know even a little bit here is Metallic Rogue. I can't see the left too. Oh, am I blocking it? Oh, sorry. It's in a bad location. There's Metallic Rogue and Bukigiri. I only know Metallic Rogue. I'm just gonna give it to Metallic Rogue. Just purely because it's the only one outside of Ninja Kamui I'm familiar with. Best animation. Ooh! It's either Don or Solo Leveling. I feel like it's gotta be Solo Leveling. It's close though. Don did have slappers. That animation was great. I think probably Solo Leveling. That's tough. I'm gonna give it to Solo Leveling. Best character design. Man, it's always the same choices, except Demon Slayer in here. Character design. I didn't get far enough in Frieren to know if the character design is like really good. Kaiju number 8, and I don't think I had like amazing character design or anything crazy. Probably Dan to Dan. No, I haven't seen Apothecary Diaries. Like I said, I haven't seen Delicious in Dungeon or Apothecary Diaries. And I haven't watched Lazarus yet. I'll just give it to Dan to Dan. Best Director. It's definitely, again, I just did not really fuck with this season of Demon Slayer. So it's not going to be that. I don't know Megumi Ishitani. Oh, wait, this is a fan letter. Oh, wait. I thought this was... I thought this was the name of the anime. I was like, what the fuck is Megumi Ishitani? No, I might give it to that. The One Piece fan letter I thought was great. I'm going to rip it for that. I thought that was amazing. Best background art. Oh, Pluto's in here. I don't even know how I'd gauge background art, though. I'll be honest. Is that something I paid a lot of attention to? I mean, I thought pretty much all of the art in Dan to Dan was, like, really high quality. I mean, Pluto, too, though, to be fair. I'll give it to Pluto. I like seeing Pluto here. Best romance. This is like the main kind of category I don't ever watch. I did watch the Scott Pilgrim anime though. I didn't hate it. Didn't love it, but I didn't hate it. It's the only one I've seen out of these, so I guess I give it to that. Hopefully that'll help. Best comedy. I take it back. This is the main category I don't watch. Fuck. I've watched none of these. I still want to watch Mashal, though. I hear so many good things about Mashal. I love the intro to Mashal. Maybe I'll give it to Mashal for that. I'll give it to Mashal for that. Best action. Ooh. Windbreaker shout out? Windbreaker goes hard. It's a shame not many people talked about Windbreaker. The fight scenes in this are really, really cool. It's all like hand-to-hand combat-based stuff. It's very nice. It's a shame that one kind of flew under the radar. Maybe I give it to Windbreaker just for that, to be honest. Either Windbreaker or Bleach. Windbreaker, Bleach, or solo leveling. Solo leveling action was really good, and there was a lot of action. This one's kind of tough. Damn, this is a really tough one, actually. I think I'm still going to give it to solo leveling. I still think that had the best action of the year. But that was very competitive. If not solo leveling, Windbreaker. Highly recommend Windbreaker if you like action. That shit was hype. Best isekai. Well, let me change the dubstep song. I'm on the Stellar Blade soundtrack, and anytime the dubstep comes up, it feels very out of place. Still need to watch Shangri-La Frontier. Haven't finished Season 3 of ReZero. It hasn't hooked me as much as Seasons 1 or 2, but it's still good. I did not like the Suicide Squad Isekai at all. That one I dropped and don't plan on finishing. Haven't watched Jobless Reincarnation or Slime. I think I'm probably just going to give it to ReZero. Best Drama. Hey, Pluto again. But Frierin's in here, so Frierin's absolutely going to win that. But I'll throw it to Pluto. But I think Frieren slaps there, probably. Oh, slice of life. Zero. I've watched zero of these. I've heard about none of these. Why does this keep... There we go. I don't really care where to throw my vote for this one. I haven't watched these. I got no strong feelings. Nokatan? Sure. Actually, most people are saying laid back camp. I don't know this studio, 8-bit. I've heard of all of the others, but I haven't heard of 8-bit. Is this one of their first ones? Or what's up with them? Do they mainly do slice of life? Is that why I haven't heard of them? I'll give it to laid back. Most people want laid back. Best main character. Wow, you got two from Don to Don in here. Momo and Okarun. Frierin's in here. Frierin's a very cool character. Even though I didn't get super hooked into the show, Frieren is actually a very cool character. Kafka is just a very simple character. I definitely don't think Kafka has a chance. Sung Jinwoo is about as simple as it gets. He's a full-blown aura farmer. Not a very complicated character. Probably shouldn't win best main character unless you just care about hype. I don't know this one. I think it's probably just got to be Frieren. I think for sure it's got to be Frieren. Best supporting character. Turbo Granny. Well, man, Dan to Dan. Lot of reps in these categories. Lot of reps. I didn't get far enough to see what makes these great supporting characters, so I don't think I can throw my vote over there. It probably is just going to have to go to a Don to Don character. I do fuck with Turbo Granny. That's a silly character. With an interesting backstory. Like, I can't feel too bad about throwing it to Turbo Granny. Yeah, I'm gonna rip it. I'm gonna throw it to Turbo Granny. Fuck it. Must protect at all costs character. I don't know what that means. But seeing that Anya's here, I'm assuming it means like a character that's like... Oh... Chibi's not the right word, but like not even like a... Not like a damsel in distress. I don't even know how to like cover that. Because I wouldn't put Frieren in there. That's a character that can fend for herself. Same with Okarun. I don't really know what this category means. Like a daughter type shit? Like you die for them. Oh, this is that like Reddit meme type shit. Oh, I see. Ugh. Ugh. I don't care where this goes. I'll toss it to something I know nothing about. I'll give it to Senshi. Best anime song. Ooh! Damn, that's tough. Abyss is good. I did like Abyss. But I think it'd be a big disservice if I don't give it down here. I think it's gotta be. Best score. Either Look Back or Bleach. I think it's got to be Look Back. But man, I do really like Bleach. Like, I really do like this new season of Bleach. 1,000 Year Blood War is finally like the best thing Bleach has offered since saving Rukia. It'd be a shame not to give it to anything. And it does have a great score. Like a lot of the Bleach score is like iconic. The OST in Bleach, like a lot of it is iconic. When I rewatched Bleach a few years ago, opening 1 hit like a truck, for example. And then of course you have the iconic like Ichigo Bankai power-up track, and I can't remember the name of it. I'm just gonna give it to Bleach, even though I think it probably should go to Look Back. I want to give something to Bleach because 1,000 Year Blood War I'm really liking. Best opening sequence. Oh, it's down to done. It's just gotta be. I already settled on that in the last one. This is just kind of like a repeat of that category. I don't really understand the point. Like, not only did the song like super slap, the intro is just also really creative and really cool. Like, it's down to done again. Best ending. Maybe Request. Wait, which one was it? No, that's not the one I'm thinking of. That's not the one I'm thinking of. What was Nobody? Hold on, I'm gonna put Nobody on. I can't remember Kaiju number 8's. Oh, yeah. Wait, One Republic made this? What the fuck? I didn't know One Republic made that. Let me hear Request one more time. Because maybe it is the one I'm thinking of. Yeah, that. Yeah. Probably Nobody. That one, I did like that one. Best voice artist performance. What is this one? I don't know this. Bravern? That's kind of a new one that came in out of nowhere. Free Runner Dandadan. Well, those are the only ones that I can opine on. But I feel like Apothecary Diaries has been here for a lot of them. People love Apothecary Diaries. I imagine they're here for a reason. But I can't say. I haven't watched. Yeah, Shangri-La Frontiers is one that it's on my to watch. So I'll definitely see the OP4 for it. Thanks, membership, Clay. You can click it and see the character. I didn't even think about that. Okay, so this one's Momo's, and this is Okarun. Probably just gonna have to give it up here again. I don't know. I thought both of them did a really good job. And I don't know. Fuck. That's tough. I'll just give it again to Freerin. Fuck it. Best voice artist performance in English. Well, that's tough. I didn't watch any of these in English. Chat's decision. I don't know. Give it to ProZD. Did amazing as Senshi. Oh, did he voice Senshi? Wait. Oh. Wait. That's super cool. Yeah, I wasn't even really reading the names. That is really cool. Most people are saying Alex Lee did a really good job as Jinwoo. That seems to be the one chat wants the most. So I'll give it to Jinwoo's voice actor in English. All right, we casted our votes, as uneducated as they may have been. It was cool to see a few of those on there. I didn't expect, like Windbreakers and Pluto. Now you gotta watch Orb so you can be ready for next year's awards. Yeah, I'm starting Orb this week.